can say it is because it's ranging from 770k to 120k for that model. I think that's the model why as at then, not now.
Doesn't have as much space. I don't know
So
if I'd pay 200 for this car because I don't think that do they even know how to drive a Lamborghini? Dude, Ford shifter. Right.
alright, alright, guys, I'm going live. He had a BMW i8 in the past. So just because you don't want to show off, and that's not what you want to value and crazy. So now I guess this is to cover for all the experience lost. So you just have to buy these cars. Not buy, not even rented. I want to use this car for the video, do the cars and people are willing, persons are willing to help this. Can use MrBeast, nigga. I don't know allowed the YouTube, but this is MrBeast, guys.
Now we are at the $300,000 car, and this is supposedly the safest car.
$300,000 car, I should be expecting like an Aventador, probably, or I don't know what car were you expecting for a $300,000 car, but let's see what this car has.